Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious keto barbecue pork. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pork, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Alright, and if you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Alright, so my keto barbecue pork, I'll be eating it with some cauliflower mac and cheese. In my next video I will be showing you guys how to make the cauliflower mac and cheese. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and also I want to ask you guys to please watch the ads in the video, and all my measurements and ingredients for this dish will be in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious keto barbecue pork. Enjoy guys. Alright guys, so today we'll be making some barbecue pork. So here's our ingredients. So over here we have some pork. Here I have some barbecue sauce. I have my chicken seasoned black pepper, chili powder, and red chicken cubes. Over here I have my green seasoned mustard hot sauce. Over here I have my grated onion, garlic, ginger, and fine leaf thyme. And over here I have some coconut oil. So the first thing I'm going to do now is season up the pork. So I'm going to pour in my coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons. Hi guys, I'm here editing my barbecue pork video, and I realized that I didn't show the part when I was putting the ingredients on the pork. I guess I thought I was videoing, but I guess I wasn't, so sorry about that, but keep on watching, and all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright, so let's continue with our barbecue pork video. Enjoy. Alright guys, so my barbecue pork has been marinated in the fridge for about 2 days. So I took it out like a few hours and had it torn out. So this is my pan here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little butter inside of it, just like that, and I'm gonna take out my barbecue pork one at a time. Guys, this smells so good. Can't wait to bite into these delicious pork, guys. And if you notice, it's the same setup. I'm actually baking my barbecue pork and also my jerk pork. Yeah, I'm gonna bake both of them in the oven one time, but this video is just the barbecue pork. You guys look out for the jerk pork video as well. Let me give you a glimpse of the pork here. So this is the jerk pork that I'm doing, and this is the barbecue pork I'm doing. So the sauce, the juice, I'm gonna pour it on top of the pork, just like this. Just pour it on top. Perfect. And I'm going to put this in the oven to bake for an hour, and then I'll show you guys the next step. We'll be back. So guys, I have to talk a little loud because rain is falling. So the barbecue pork finished baking, baked for like an hour and a half. So what I'm going to do is just to pour some barbecue sauce on it, just like this. And you're just gonna take your spoon and you're just gonna dab it on it just like this. Alright guys, and you're just gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes and it's all done. So we'll be back with the end results. Okay guys, so my barbecue pork, I'm gonna be eating it with some cauliflower mac and cheese. Also, don't forget, in my other video I'll be showing you guys how to make the cauliflower mac and cheese. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste my pork here so you guys can see. I'm gonna use my hands. There you go, guys. This is my delicious keto barbecue pork. Wow. This is a good piece of pork and it's so tender. Give me some good pork, guys. I hope you guys try my recipe. Trust me, you're gonna regret it. Alright? So, don't forget to subscribe and please watch the ads in the end. Alright, guys? So, take care and bye, guys. Bye.